Miss Alec has the customizable routers you are looking for. Our CNC router sizes offer plenty of value and custom flexibility, whether you need smaller wood pieces, finished production quantities of large metal sheeting, or anything in between. Have a custom application or material to process? Tell us your budget, materials that need to process, size requirements, and we will give you the most suitable recommendation. Search Miss Alec CNC Router. We are here and ready to respond to your questions, perfectly tailored to your requirements.